Hi everyone, this is my introduction video for MIT 885. My name is Kelly Rose. A little bit about me: I work and live in Overland Park, Kansas. I work in the Shawnee Mission School District, which, if you're unfamiliar with this area, it is a large district outside of Kansas City. This is my 7th year as an elementary school teacher. I've taught 5 years in 3rd grade, 1 in 2nd grade, and 1 in 4th grade, and I'm currently a 3rd grade teacher. The school that I work at is a Title I school, and our district is one-to-one iPads at the elementary level. In the middle school and high school level, they are one-to-one with MacBooks. A few of the biggest challenges I'm facing right now: meeting the needs of all my students in a very diverse population, time management, just fitting in all the standards while making the content meaningful, trying to fit in some project-based learning and that sort of thing has been challenging for me, and just keeping students engaged and motivated. With the population I work with, there isn't a lot of parental support, and therefore I am the key motivator, and trying to keep them motivated and engaged at all times can be proven difficult. Future plans is just to continue and grow as an educator. I definitely want to incorporate more PBL and blended learning in my classroom. After I finish this master's degree, I plan on to continue my education and earn another master's degree. I'm currently unsure of what I would like to do with that second master's degree, but I do know that I would like to complete it. And then, of course, to continue to find new ways to meet the needs of all of my students, especially in a diverse school like the one I'm working at now. I look forward to working with you all this semester. We are almost done, and go Chiefs!